So here's the delivery man. So let's open the door and let's see what's inside. What's our gift today? Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Sugar Kawai Sato, and it's good to be back. And we're here again because we're gonna unbox another gift coming from someone. Because we love someone. So, but before anything else, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the icon bell button so you will be updated to my new upload and new video. So here we go, and let's get our gift. I'm so excited because I really love unboxing video, unboxing video, unboxing video. So my lights is turned off because this is the automatic. If there's no people, it will off, and I will try to open it again. Okay, so there you can see, but I already on this one because I know that my light will automatically will off. Okay, so let's get our box and let's get our box. So let's go. So guys, here's our two big box. So I don't know if I can open this, so I need help from my brotherhood. So let's go and let's open it. Let's go. And this one, guys, I don't know what's inside. This one is so big, so I need help. So my brother is opening it. There. What's this, guys? What is this, guys? I will not pull it. We will just open it directly. There's no prank because mom is mad if I open this. If I will not open this ASAP, because I think she needs it. Actually, this is mom's gift, but I love unboxing box, so I want to vlog this and flex this. What is this one? There you go. See, guys, I can't carry this one because it's too hard to carry this one. Look at that box. What is this one? This dead people. What is this, guys? Oh, guys, look at that. This one has to open. What is this? Is this a dead people? Or is it, treasure? It's not a treasure, guys. Oh my god, I'm a rich now. I think I'm rich now. Oh my god. What is this? Full of cash? Full of jewelry? Oh my god, what is this? So I really have to open this, guys. So, and there's no cameraman. So I'm the one who's doing the cameraman. Oh my god. Be careful, it's hard to open it. There's a lot of tape. What is this one, guys? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea what is this? What's inside? Oh my god. What is this one? Oh my god. I think this is a treasure coming from Titanic. Guys, this looks scary. I think this is dead people. Why you deliver dead people here? Oh my god, what is this? If it's a treasure, it's nice. But if it's dead people, oh my god, what is this? So scary. Oh my goodness. So guys, we already tried all the utensils and something that we need to open. It's hard to open. We don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to do, but we will open this. It's hard to open. It's very sealed and locked. I think this is the pressure. So guys, you can see it's hard for me to open this. I don't like to open like this. I don't need to unbox. I don't need to unbox this one. It's so hard. What's inside? It's full of tape. I don't want to unbox like this, guys. It's hard to open. It's so scary. So guys, you can see it's hard to open. We're doing our best to open this. It's really hard to open it. It's so hard and so sealed. We already use everything because I love everything. Oh, be careful to our cabinet. Yeah, so scary. I think guys, if I open this, I'll die. I think I will give up because it's hard to open it. I can open a box like this. Shout out to all the people who wants to give me a gift. Don't seal like this and it's so hard to open it. Shout out to the people who send this. Wow. It's really hard to open it. It's really surprising, this gift. Surprising and scary and exciting. I don't know how I feel. Yeah. What will happen? Still can't open that. It's still sealed. Treasure. Check it if there's a lot of tape. So guys, I think we can open it, but it's still sealed. Maybe there's a lot of tape. We still have tape. We have to open this. Maybe the other side. Yamashita. This is a Yamashita treasure. excited. So guys, I think it's ready to open. What is the what is this, guys? This is a machine gun. Oh, this is a machine, guys. Yeah, this one is hard to open because you take good care of this one. This is a machine, guys. A machine. So we're gonna pull this out. And let's see what's inside the other box. Let's see what's the other box. So here's the other one, guys, the small one. I don't know what is this. Let's see. Unboxing, but this one, no, mine's not unboxing, so I just want to give you this. Ow, ow, see guys, this is, oh my god, what is one? It's a grinder. Yeah, it's a grinder. Yeah. So we're gonna put this, and that's our machine. That's our. So guys, here's our unboxing for today. This is a machine grinder from grinder. So guys, here our unboxing box for today is a grinder, I don't know. This is a machine. We're going to use this for our business, mom business. This one is for our peanut butter. Yay! We're gonna use this for peanut butter. So later I'll show you after we take this off in this box. It's too scary and it's too heavy. That's why they seal this properly and so hard, because we need to protect the machine, because if it's broken, we know that it will be a big responsibility for them to what's this? To pull this up. So we need to take good care of this one, so we can use it properly and there's no any broken piece. Okay, so later I'll show you how they look. So we're gonna go back. We'll be back because we're gonna clean it. So guys, that this is the look. And we need to open this muna, guys, because it's hard. It's really heavy. So we need to remove the box first so we can pull this out.
Kick. Hey.